We got ADOFO talks links with Pablo YG, Q Bands, being a special one in music. It's a good look. Me say I'm glad to see ADOFO finally getting a little look in. I think his biggest song is Ohio. You see me? Ohio. Do y'all know Ohio? If y'all don't know, check out, make it let y'all know real quick. Oh shit, dog, I just clicked off a song that I was gonna react to. You see me? I say if you don't remember ADOFO, this is ADOFO right here. This is one of my favorite tracks by ADOFO, by the way. You see me? I say niggas snapped on young youth like this, went crazy on this, bro. Went crazy on this track. So I'm glad to see him. He dropped this 5 months ago. So reacted this about 5 months ago. Now 5 months later he's on the fix. So dog making his moves. You see me what I'm saying? And I'm glad like I'm seeing the fix like giving the shine to young youths. Cause that's what I really do on my channel. I'm like react to new artists up and coming youths and busy. You know what I say? Yes man. So this is ADOFO if you don't remember what ADOFO is.
When the package dog just deliver bad man, you know we can't reach a foot dog. Judge you one life for you.
Talented look at you.
From Ohio dog. How far that they from with for that?
I say that going to Ohio. How far that there? Eh? Yeah man overseas me name.
God no you.
Big goon from Ohio. Hey,
Milton, this is Bill Picel. Still waiting to hear from you. I see where you made it.
If you're a true Dad Mafia fan, you should remember this track. I reacted to this shit and we went crazy on this one. Yeah, I should know how crazy this track went. You really be rocking with your boy, be rocking my reaction, watching my reactions, watching my lives and shit. You should
talk to you, and I want to find out what the hell you did with my money, and what are your intentions other than to just keep fucking me out of money. But I'll tell you, that's all.
Man, so what are your intentions other than to keep why amount of money? Why you to him burn up that youth?
Last motherfucking penny you get from me, so.
Charge up on the
And I'm not gonna lie, this beat go crazy. Pudan, records, you can make some blow beats MG. Yeah man. Oh. Epic records. Let's believe the man, young youth out there are doing it. Go on.
Evening dial book a working skull off send every dollar from the kangle bun epic and for charters rascal bro.
It's a evening dial but a working skull.
Evening dial book a working skull off send every dollar from the kangle bun epic and for charters rascal bro. Parchment paper me use blood and with it up. All laid in a ball when you bang.
Parchment paper me use blood and with it up.
Bro. Parchment paper me use blood and with it up. All laid in a ball when you bang. But done me I go swing upon James when I go on too tough.
Don't ball. Swing upon. What you?
I be a jagger live down a little pot. OG don't ram for.
Be a jagger. Go on, Joe.
Got cock a bank coat when they dial run. Poo just buck a giant. Big good from Ohio. Chase bank full of beer dollars. Skill I get ready to go wire it out. Poo than just buck a giant.
Be a big goon from Ohio. You snap on that one, man. I didn't even go too long in this dog. But if I don't remember it, yeah, that's Poo. That's ADOFO. You see me and say, young youth out here doing them thing. Big up ADOFO. You see me and say, gang, yeah man, you go check out the reaction on page, man. Because we went crazy on that shit, gang. But yeah, that upon nightly fix right now. You get a little interview. I see what dog I deal with. Learn some more things about the G. Let's get it.
Skate it Rawson, food and rich in the latest clocks of a Christian bitch I must say, ladies
Hello everyone.
Whoa.
It gets better every time.
It gets better every time.
My name is Ari. We got Javi here joining us today for another interview. Hey. But before we get to our special guest, we have to pick up our sponsor, Pure Water. Pure Water is your smart choice to stay hydrated and refreshed during all your activities, especially when you smoke. You know, ADOFO is gonna take some.
That blazing spliff. ADOFO.
Yeah, right. right? Oh gosh, of course we got Ethiopia Live. You know, you can always check them out for the best quality weed that you need to smoke. And of course we got Janet's Holistic Beauty, Cosmetic and Personal Care, Plant-Based Skincare, Dark Spot Solution, Eczema Treatment, Original Turmeric Soap. That's all they have in their store. North and please use the code THEFIX to get 15% off all your purchases. And of course, big up Wave Music Fest happening March 28th at the UBS Arena. Get your tickets now at www.wavemusicfest.com. That's happening again March 28th, 2025 at the UBS Arena. Performing live is Dexter Dapp, Skendang, Cranium, Craft God, Valiant, Spice, and they just added Secure your spot. And you know, check them out on Instagram. All right. Jamming Express Shipping. Jamming Express, we make shipping a vibe. They ship 3 times weekly. Sign up at jammingexpressshipping.com and get your first pound free. All right. Big up Jamming Express Shipping. As I said, guys, our special guest joining us today is ADOFO, raining all the way from St. James. Thank you for joining us today.
Mighty man.
I was wondering if I'm saying your name correctly. You know, when the artist gonna come up on a unique name. Everybody's so creative. Is that how you pronounce ADOFO?
Yeah, right, man.
Okay, I was like, is it ADOFO? I was wondering.
What it mean? It have a meaning?
Meaning warrior, you know.
Oh, warrior.
Yeah.
Are you make that up or real free?
No, say I can check it on the Google same way, man.
Okay.
Real? What's the origin?
Yeah, what was the inspiration? Who gave you that name?
You know, I say I did it and I say, oh, need a name when I know say have meaning. You can't just, some people just select a name like that in a basic show, man. You know, say a born warrior.
Yeah.
You know, say, oh, you have to have a meaning, so I just find a name and I know, say, oh, it define me, as I mean.
Yeah, well, it says Akan. The Akan name ADOFO masculine means one who loves us, or the special one from God, warrior. Okay,
People always feel ADOFO, they always feel so like it, they show, you know, you have a Afro name, like, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should have been singing some black conscious music, not scamming people. All of your song, let's talk about it. Cause I listen to your song and I say, well, the first song we listen to, No Feelings, if I scamming or killing. And I'm like, Jesus, those are your only 2 options in life, scamming or killing? Or thieving and killing?
I know, say, it really, you know, say, me sing about what happen around and some style, you see me? That's a reflection I will see me. You see me? I don't like, say, deliberately like say me they do that or what I sing about it, I mean. That's what they happen around and I.
So you feel like people around here that them that them a go through, like them are the only option
man,
to them.
Yeah, them are reactive, man. They reactive more, so that means that they feel it, man. You see me, they can feel the lyrics, them man. Different lyrics in it and some style, so then just they react to them. And what you feel, you know, so you catch on to and gravitate, see me, you see me?
Yeah. Speaking of no feelings, you drop it Valentine's Day. And you said, for love. No feelings. Like, what? Why?
You know, saying in real life, that voice, like a year before it drop. Yeah, we have to go long, but you know, say we have to do so that's the right time, you know, some style. Let's make it, you know, say, on the 14th of February, you know, say, I know everybody love out to go see in a matching clothes and they get rose and they something. Some people are black rose and they something. You know, say we are let out for them to and it mix to you, man. Like, say, I just love alone or something. It mix for both person, then can both gravitate on both sides, see me, you see me?
No, man, I do for somebody hurt you. Who hurt you?
Yeah.
Who hurt you? So, one be hurt you, you say, yo, me I go drop this panda day, yeah.
No, sir. Alright. You know, say between if you listen to this song, you say both it's separate, you know, because the chorus itself about female, and then the starting like the intro about you see me when cartel they say tell them for low violence or something. So if you start off with this, so in a chorus they say girl you're making it hard for me, so I have to kind of mix this, you know, you see me?
Yeah.
So that's both. You see me? And I like, nobody broke my heart when I say that. Also.
That can't happen.
When I say it can't happen, but it not happen yet. You see me?
It not happen yet.
And I'm like, you give Sagittarius a bad name. I sound horrible. For real. Yes, a Sagittarius.
Oh,
Yeah, like you're saying. Are you a Sagittarius for real?
yeah.
Okay, yeah. I saw no wicked for real.
Eh?
I saw no wicked for real. I know I'm very
You
clear.
say you have white liver, but you know wicked too.
Yeah, well, you know, say, if a girl a play you, you not go just, you see me, sit down and know, say, you have to know, say, how do you backfire same way, you see me.
Which makes sense. So talk about how you started music. Cause you say you started doing freestyles. So that's from like what age?
I remember age, but in from 2017 in time there, me dey on my dog Black time there, before dog have him produce a name at a Tyrese, you see me, record with phone pan house stop, upload same way,
Yeah.
you see me, till the dog I say alright, I say yo, I dog I producer now. At time the phone the dog I record with or something and I say dog I producer till you know say easy one where then start take up it serious now till years go, you know, Black Russian CMA from this one I have a first official ambassador.
Yeah.
You see me? From this one now the talent grow and grow more, so we just start push it hard and just stick to a circle and just go on.
Yeah. So
Push it,
from your debut song Ambassador and to now having no feelings, like how you feel, like what's your growth? You feel like you grow since then?
Yeah, of course. What I mean, I go places and people like ADOFO picture or something. You have to feel the growth. But then nobody know I take picture of me and just see me and just take off of me or something. But now it's different. You see me?
Yeah. When you feel like
a star now. Like I'm feeling star power now, that feeling good. I said nobody want to take no picture now. Everybody want to take picture of the dog.
that transition they start happen, like, oh, nobody not pay me no mind, but now people actually are pre me, them are like the music, them are notice me.
My name business still in me just when I do it because I know I have a talent and I know say we have to reach there, although we not reach fully yet, but you see me. But when me just drop the first song from this so no, I know me not get a bad say, yo, this a boy I can't sing. Me don't know if I rate then I rate me, you know, if you tell me say, yo, but I know me not get sick.
I say, yo, no, man, I know for man, you're a talented youth, man. Don't feel so. Yeah, sometime, you know, for real, you know, when you start now something new, or venturing out something different, you see me, and so when you don't get there, where sometimes you can feel like, yo, I'm not good at it, but you gotta know you just started now, man. You see me, I say, give yourself time for growth, give yourself that grace. You see what I say? And you're not going to see your progress right away, because when you're with yourself all the time, you're not going to see the progress you make. As me I say, it's going to be hard. Somebody when you see all the regular, going easier if you see your progress. Because they'll be like, oh shit, you look different. Like if you're in the gym. As me I say, I work out every day. You're not going to see your changes right away in the mirror when you look at it. As me I say, probably a couple months down the line, you will see it different. But somebody when you see you, say you've been working out for a month or two, you looking at the mirror, you're not going to see the difference. But somebody see you this month, they don't see you next month, and in the month after they see you, they're going to be like, yo, bro, you look different. You know what I'm saying? God, yeah. But anyway, yeah, that's what you're not going to see your growth while you're growing because you're actually in the situation. You're in the moment. You're with you all the time. So it's harder to see the progress. But, you know, it's important to take time out, notice a little progress you've made, little improvements you've made, and be thankful and grateful for where you're at. You see me what I say? Yeah, man.
Yo, it's a boy I can't sing.
Yeah. I just ratings so far.
What is it?
Just ratings so far.
I mean, I see that you have a strong affiliation with Pablo YG. I know he did a song with you like 2 years ago. But he's always featured heavily in your music videos. So I was just wondering what's the connection there. I mean, it seems as if it's like a genuine friendship.
Oh, yeah, man, a genuine friendship, man. You know, say regular, we link up on a daily basis, man, and just, yo, I pray, and then next day, yo, I pray, and a regular link up on some time, and from, oh yeah, but then, as me I tell you, say, start out from ambassador job, same way, the connection, like Russian, and so comes with. First time I see dog in person when we do a collab with him, same way, isn't it? Yeah.
Okay, so wait, he, because it was his song, it was your song.
Yes.
And he featured on it.
Yes.
So that was the first time you guys actually met.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But then after that, no, I'm saying like he's always in the video, like I
Yeah,
see
we
him
see one
time, like
energy. I just say all about the energy, you know, from the connect, you know, say I know just true, you know, say yo,
Energy you have to connect. What you mean?
Yesterday we and this dog start link, we know say already, we know say energy connect.
Energy you have to connect.
I just see so we circle there so see me like I'm not too mix up. I just know say I just more be to North Coast, and if you're not to North Coast, you know, so I don't know Westmoreland.
Right, because I was saying he's from St. Ann, right?
Yeah, so that's why I make the connection.
But I mean, he's young and you are young. I guess you guys are in the same age group, right?
Yeah.
But he got, I guess, a major boss, you know, some time ago. Like, what's his advice to you? Like, has he, like, you guys talk about that, like the career, the business?
Fee man.
What you say?
What you say? Talk
Like,
about
yeah,
film
you
career.
guys have a conversation about that's like how
the business
how the business is, like music, things like that. Like some. I'm just wondering if he even offer you any advice. Like, you ask him for any
man,
advice.
regular. Everyone away. I don't know, just everyone away in our circle, man. You see me? If a producer did that, we say, yeah, man, you're bad. We have to say, yeah, man, you're bad. You have to keep going. Same way. Artist did it. Yeah, if a new producer, if one hour did it and a new producer start, yeah, man, have to keep going. Same way. I just be a positive, no negative energy. That's what I tell us. I not just true. I just be a positive energy around the whole way. You see me?
Nice.
Yeah.
More no, what is the difference between Meech and Thief? You say that the same thing in your song, so what do you mean? Like, what Meech or what Thief? What the difference?
What Meech?
Yeah, I want Thief.
Oh, Meech, Thief, a Thief. Meech now, you know, say, Meech. I like when they're on a top level and some style, you see me? They do it legally. Bill comes straight up and some style, you know.
The Meech do that.
Thief or something like, you know, hurry come on in style, you know.
Yeah.
We got the Meech way, we just Bill go straight up like a level, you see me?
Okay. So the Meech are the better one.
Yeah, man. Meech different from Thief, man.
Oh, so it's not how you start, it's how you end.
Yeah.
That's the Meech. So if you're Thief, if you start out as a thief,
man, we do it rightfully.
Yeah. Businesses. That's
say I for Meech out. Let them say?
No, me say Meech, Thief.
Meech. Oh, okay.
Look at this grandma. Look at this grandma.
And the other grandmas watching, they're enlightened in the darkness. Anyways, in your bio, you say you spend 90% of your time in the studio. So, like, what are some of the sacrifices that you had to make in order to achieve
Sleepless
this?
one, man. You know, sleep, man. Yeah, I bleed out.
No sleep. Yeah. What else? That's all? Nothing else?
No, man, you know, it's a whole heap of thing. We can't have a fun time there. We can party 1 and 2 times, but you know, say certain things, you know, say, so we wake up, we say, we're going to do this. Music, stay one way, we wake up, say, I go do this, and then, you know, say, watch out. Still, there you have to go. You have to put with that. I just saw you go, you have to just hand to it. As you say, that fall between the Meech, you have to be a sacrifice, you have to just in a studio, same way and some style, and just know, say, oh, this is your mind there.
Yeah.
Not all about, you know.
Are you willing to give up all of them things in order for achieve what? Like, what's the end goal? What you have in mind? Yeah? What's the big picture where you are pre?
Well, my big picture for the way up at top. When I know say I just me alone, my dog and the producer, everybody good. I know say I just every day them I hear about ADOFO and the producer them something I know say right. I just say one crew that you know. ADOFO them can't
Yeah.
I mean,
well, that sound good. That sound good and all, but not even for no Grammys. You see me? I say show some stadium. You see me? Because basically, what you're saying is you just want to be good in life. Until you have a nice house to get some few money in your pocket. Your dogs ain't very. That's about it. You know, even for no Grammys, become a legend. Set your name in there. You know what I'm saying? Them things you want to hear to the artist. Yo, man, we'll take your Grammy. You see me knock Bob Marley off them things they want to hear from the artist. You know, hear them drive, them passion, they don't more. Yeah.
I was listening to your songs on YouTube. I don't know if I missed any of them or if I didn't get the full scope of it, but most of your songs them really talk about chopping, scamming. Am I wrong?
Well, basically, as I say, I just say surrounding where you know say.
Right.
If there I wake up a day and know say that I surrounding me, you know say I go, I mean the voice, I go sing about it. See me if I wake up, you know say I wake up and say, alright, watcha, no money in my pocket. And me have a rhythm and I say, alright, I want calm rhythm. I said to Sabuma, I make one rhythm say I have to come out there and get on something. If you wake up, you say killing, that is a topic, same way, and I like say true. You're not happy I do it, doesn't mean?
Right. Because I was saying, like, I mean, what are other areas that you want to touch on? Because, you wouldn't necessarily want to just limit yourself as a chopping or scamming artist.
We have, alright, man. You see, right now, after No Feelings toward her, so we have some different songs, same here, man, ready. Me?
So you think that when, I mean, the whole Ohio, PCH, No Feelings, even Ambassador, but majority of your songs really talk about that. So I was and you're saying that is just a reflection of your surroundings. So I'm like, are you afraid that you're giving a perception that Mobe, especially because a lot of Mobe artists too, like that's the focus of it. Like, but wonder that maybe that like a negative stigma on Mobe artists and the Mobe artist music scene?
Well, me never really miss that still, because me say me just doing a film, me just do film thing, and I know say just that if people they gravitate to, and know say we just one at a time, then we just say alright, different, we move on to the female section them, and then we move on to we have a different season them. So right now I just change up the season them for we calendar. Yeah, we just work off like.
Okay, you say that
so
you're working.
We can drop a conscious song, but sorry, that depends on the calendar. Say next 2 weeks is a female, we're going back to it,
Yeah. Are you expecting, like, if you think that if you change topic or if change topic, would you have the same impact or success that you would with the topic that
really
you
check.
That is the thing though. If you was to switch with other artists, if it was to switch subject or topic, they wouldn't have that same passion, that same sound, because they wouldn't have that same sound, that same impact, because they don't have that passion for it, that feeling for it. You see me? So when they sing about the chop, they have the feeling, about them sing about a love song or like a conscious tune or issue song, or they can't do it. They don't have that passion for it. They don't have that feeling for it. They can't give that,
Comments like that telling about me, I tell her say, what me sing, then gravitate to. So me sing conscious song, but as me said, they not release it, so me can't know what then reaction to that, but me know say it go good.
Yeah, right. Because they call it, I don't want to say the excuse, but the feedback, or when artists say that, I put out conscious songs, but they don't have the same impact as the songs where me, I guess chop or glorify and name something there. So I was wondering if that was a case for you, where if you had, like, especially in the very beginning, you're putting out some sort of positive conscious songs
before Eva Ambassador.
Yeah, but you're saying you didn't. You're as you're coming.
I feel like same impact me that get mine. Cause me say it's just naturally. So I just the same impact me face with that happen same way, isn't it?
How big are you in Mobe? Because I'm different Kingston and Mobe music scenes are completely different. Like how the impact, like how big are you in the city?
As me medieval like driving a Mobe.
Wow.
Cause as me walk out, anyway me pull up ADOFO picture, and so it just start me not to really use to it, but me expect it still, but Yeah.
Is it from the kids or like
both kids to elder? Yeah. But I say less elder, cause less elder not to tune into them something. Yeah.
How is it in
majority?
How is it different in Kingston? Like
Kingston now.
Yeah.
Well, Kingston normally when I come to Kingston, and I like say me round about like down a Mobe or so. Saying like when I go always, but when I do show myself now, it's that different, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay.
And you said that you have an EP. That's a goal that you have for the 2025. Like, is in the first? We're still in the first quarter. Like, how when you plan on releasing it?
Oh well, no. I'm planning on to having an EP, but we not decided. As me say.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so you're working on it. So it's not something that is soon to be released. Okay.
So you're putting the tracks together.
Well, yes, that we're planning to do now.
Yeah. Okay.
So you have some new projects. Well, not projects, but like new singles coming up. So what can we look out for?
As I say, I can look out for all type, man. All type. As I say, I just see season what we have on the calendar. We know say, alright, it's the right time for job. So say people out there that are going can gravitate to it. We say,
Yeah.
We know say, alright, right now I want to see easy way right now. I just money pre them a pre now. Go drop all one gun song now. We want to say money mind everybody have. We drop a motivation song. See me say yeah man. Go feed. You know?
Yeah, you don't have to trap people for go feel like you don't have to scam people. You know, there's another option. You know,
in an annual list, I say that.
Yeah,
go feed that like what you mean. Morning light, you go and go hustle.
Yeah.
ADOFO say for killing her.
And the girl them time ADOFO, I want to hear something from you for the girl them. That I want to hear.
That the panic.
You have that ready? Line up.
Yeah man, but you just know calendar in a reach the calendar day head for your job.
Yeah. You have nothing to drop soon?
Yeah man, we have some upcoming job soon.
You know, I was listening to your songs too, you know, because you talk about that, and I was thinking like, for your age group, for you young men, like what's the version of I talk to a girl? Like, you know, a lyrics a girl. Like, come here, like, even in a no feelings, me I say, yo, them young man, you know nothing but love. Nothing.
Yeah, you're the man say fuck love. He said fuck love.
So I was just thinking, like, what is it for you young men? Like, what's the version of
for me now, for me, I know love.
Okay.
So as me say, me drop the song no cause I know heartbreak. Me drop the song there so people can gravitate to it. You see me? Me can drop the song there and know say, wow, me love real hard. You see me? Yeah.
Oh, so you're a lover boy?
Well, me have my own mind, me know say I go love.
Oh, okay, good.
You see me? But
in past like you must say, me not like that name there.
Lover boy, that's nice. Yeah. Oh, so you have a girl now? Nice. Yeah. So
girl, no, me did have a girl.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I tell you say. It's just that the song Vice long time.
Yeah.
Oh, so you're single now?
No, him say him been of a girl.
Oh, him been of a girl.
So when me ask her if how she feel about.
No, she just have know say a long time I sang Vice and know say nothing pertaining to no.
Yeah,
personal.
Yeah. Not even just that, but you being in the studio like most of the time, like she get that now, like the real artist life.
Yeah, I understand you know him. I'm not sure if I know saying see greatness and know say yeah.
What you do for makeup for that though?
Well, for makeup for it,
yeah.
You know, she just have to understand. She understands.
Not like a Bridget's nothing.
No, I try to show you say that different. Cause me tell her say, me can sing a song that I love really hard. So them they're different. Them they are side business. Like that. We not have to do that for makeup.
Careful with the side.
No, I mean like say. No, I mean like
yes,
say.
It's a side business. And me I say, hey. And which side chick you have? Hey, naughty boy.
No, I mean no side chick. You know. I mean like that are off the air, other from music. I just like we mean a relationship so that regular basis that for. She spend and me spend and then you see me.
Okay.
Then I have to do. I don't like say me I do it for makeup. Like say I don't want my home and that. For me know say me have to me then a studio. Me have to buy something for go have makeup too man.
Yeah, and I say it go.
No.
Okay, fair enough.
Yo, for that what doing is a strong girl, man. Big up on yourself. Anyways, guys, that's ADOFO. Can you tell the people them where to follow you? Like, and I mean, tell people if there's something that you have coming up on the calendar soon that you can tell the people them to look out for.
Yeah man, we have one named Talk Up. We have multiples. We have Talk Up for job next. Yeah, in the upcoming the next on the calendar for release. Yeah. Can find me, see me on Instagram, ADOFO that music. Can find me on TikTok, see me ADOFO that music. Me on all that platform.
That's
YouTube, I know it's a YouTube ADOFO.
Yeah.
You can see it.
But big up RK Trap because I know that you're working with him. He's a producer that you've been working with.
Yeah, you have Poudan, you have 45 Skill Record, you have Black Russian, you have Cuban's Record, you have Tarman Records, Lando Chat Records, Potted Records, you have Wally put them in a circle.
Yeah. I realize you don't necessarily limit yourself to one producer. Like
no,
you
just unity with all and just spirit. You see me? You all we in a circle. So just that time aim for you all we go up there and know so we not look down upon none.
Okay. Nice. All right guys, that was ADOFO. Thank you so much for watching.
And your two faves.
All right, we out guys.
be she fast, so me skate it raw, son. Food and rich in the latest clocks of a Christian bitch, I must say, ladies,
Big up ADOFO. Yeah, man, it's a good look. ADOFO put in the work, man. It's a good look for ADOFO, man. See him finally get getting a good look in from the fix. It's a good look. Shout out to ADOFO, man. I'm glad to see the younger artists them up and coming and arise. You see me I say? Yeah, I like to see it. Shit. I got a bunch of what know I'm reacting. Who there? I'm about to start reacting to all type of shit that I like watching, man. Cause y'all here and y'all not rocking with your boy, man. I'm trying to stream. You see me what I'm saying? Y'all not in here dropping the comments. Drop the comments, man. Who here? Oh shit. Yo, react to Eddie wrong man. Him this Raja. Or him this Raja? That's crazy. Y'all always trying to turn my streams into music reactions, gang. Y'all always trying to turn my streams into music reactions. I'm trying not to get copyrighted. I'm trying to do regular videos and interviews and shit like that. I try to do regular interviews and something like that. I try to do interviews and regular videos that's viral that y'all want me to check out. So let me know what me do. But big up Tony, where y'all doing? How long you been tuning in, guy? What else I want to check out, man? I just watched that shit. What y'all want me to react to, man? We streaming, man. We vibing. Fuck it. Yes, sir. From 2023. Oh no, I don't mean like how long you been watching the channel. I mean how long you been on the live. What y'all do? Big up yourself, man, Tony. What y'all do? Damn, gang, 2023, nigga. 2025, gang. You been here, boy, for 2 years. Big up your damn self, door. Yeah, man, one day I got some giveaway for subscribers and shit, man. But yeah, what video know I'm react to? Yeah, we're not doing music reaction this live, man. Let's check out some videos, man. I wanna check out some lit shit that we interested in. What we rocking with, man? We're rocking with. Hold on. Let's see what we're rocking with. Hold on. Thought I had some lit shit saved. I know I had some lit shit saved, man. Alright, just have forward BG, big up your damn self. Yeah, man. Hit the like button. You see me I say. Keep coming, I appreciate you. Yeah, man, we need to get some lit videos. What be viral in the like yard space? Cause a lot of shit I be watching is like shit that's popular in America. I don't know if y'all be watching like these type of shit. I be watching like American YouTubers and shit like that. What we doing, what we rocking, what they got for us, man? Let's see what my For You page saying. Oh shit, they got Beanie Man and Breakfast Club? That's crazy. Should we watch that? I'm just watch like what? 2 interviews. Might have to check out this shit one day. I'm opening a new tab, might not check it out right now. Make a video after the stream, Eddie G Wrong Man. Yeah, I got you. Damn right. Yeah, I'm gonna drop videos today. I actually got it loaded up already. Right here. Me actually got it loaded up right there, so. You feel me? I was gonna react to it. I haven't reacted to it yet. Look. I actually have it loaded right here. Eddie G Wrong Man. We been having got a bunch of videos up here, man. See these tabs right here? These are videos that I'm gonna drop for y'all. You see me? Mm-hmm. These are all videos I'm gonna drop for y'all, so don't worry, dog. Gang, I got y'all. I haven't listened to none of it. You can see, I haven't listened to none of these shits. You see me? Got a whole bunch of videos. What's this? I had this interview with DDG. Who know DDG in the chat, yo? DDG apparently had a motherfucking interview with Complex Mag. I was gonna react to that shit. If you don't know, hold on, shit, I ain't stopped recording.